Be able to next week, so yes, yeah, I think so.
This is world. Hey guys, morning. Welcome back to Nessa's World. So today I have a lot of things to do, and I'm just gonna take you on a little journey with me, and then we're going to see how this coronavirus affect everything that I do today. I'm going to the supermarket and yeah, a few stuff. So let's see. This probably not will reach my YouTube, but yeah, try a thing. Now this girl I follow me go out on road, go buy some paint so the guy can get it to paint the rest of the house. And guys, tell me what you think about me here. Look nice, don't it? Real nice, right? Right.
I might want to look like Jungle
Dry Jungle. Guys, don't forget to walk with your hand sanitizer, because like me, when I gotta take taxi, you know, you gotta touch the handle and you need to sanitize your hand. You know, you gotta touch the cart and you need to sanitize your hand. Plus you don't even know where them having at the spray bottle, where them are spray. Like if you're going to a business place or whatever, yeah, you need to have your hand sanitizer, because they may have bleach and spray upon you, and then when you check it out, your clothes bleach out. So here I'm outside of Scotiabank waiting to get in. I am next in line to get into the bank, and now I'm inside, and as you can see that there is other person waiting for me to get out. And it's the same thing for the supermarket. I literally had to wait until one person come out so that I can go into the store and shop. Look up for me, foreign tea, look at the bush. Oh my god. Oh my god! Wow! Oh Jesus. Yeah, so we are going to Harbour Bay. We're going to buy some fish and some lobster. Yeah. Not for you, for me still. And we just come from Harbour, guys. Nothing has changed, like literally nothing. You have to line up, you're going at the bank. Go inside of the bank and we have to line up. So we have a little clippings for that. And then we have to line up, we're going at the supermarket. And then you can barely find toilet paper, but there is bread and toilet paper on the shelves. So if you don't want to get that, you get that in the week. Don't go supermarket on weekends, because today come like a weekend to me. Even the market full. But yeah, we're going to Harbour Bay. Let's see when we can get me some fish cheap now. So we're going.
There's a lot in the try to get rid of the fish.
Don't you just like my hair?
Don't you just hate my hair?
No, your hair look nice. Because you look good on the camera. Alright, so guys, never remember Sunday and for morning, so we did that just to be for eat.
What kind of fish I want? Lobster.
The smell kill me.
Lobster?
Looking clear as always. Feel like we can go take a swim.
So you can take a swim?
Yeah.
Oh no, you're lobster. Hello. First, don't bring them first.
Vanessa, you're not in a bathsuit, so you cannot go near the water. We're two fancy birds, you know. I don't have a bathsuit. I cannot go.
Send a call back my phone, see every credit.
next week, so that now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen. Yeah, I think so. You know what I'm saying? Steam fish on my back there. Let me take this one. So much fun last year. Come here, may I say something? I don't want the video, man. I want.
They're afraid of the full camera.
Well, I'm be able to take that with me. What's up there?
4 pounds.
Oi!
Madam.
I want to go inside that tomorrow. You have to let it just go.
And I'm afraid of death. You cannot lie in your force and be afraid of death. Am I afraid?
Something to pass around.
The understanding that you want to take. But you understand exactly.
No, fishing out.
Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, like this. Oh.
It's ready.
Fry.
Different.
I meant lots of steak.
Back to the fire. No, man, you can't put from them live and all over. You can detect now, train on black one. So she'll go up there, son. Yeah, push my go after. Pasa, fix your things.
So you're saying cheaper than the lobster cheap? Oh,
Mmm.
2.5. No, me just get out of 2.5 on me after.
no, no.
One second. Style the way you have, man. You have one style, a nasty style that you have. Broke out of this style.
You can't see it from right there, so. Yeah, jump on one of them boat there now and say, I'm going fishing. Yeah. So I am going fishing, but no for the fish them gone. Yeah, and the water dirty. Water dirty. How about that seaweed?
I have no memory. That's what it's saying. Then they, I wonder if they have crab. Would I eat crab or no?
Yeah, see the crab there?
It's the one way. Where?
Some crabby in this.
Please sanitize when you enter.
Yeah, it's now focus. You know it definitely. Yeah. Shrimp and all these things when it's up outside down. Then buy about 3
Sanitize. Follow instructions. Follow instructions. So right now we come back. We're tired.
Take out the shoes.
We're tired, we had to one bed and bag of things. But yeah, that was the stress we had to go through at Harbour Bay, Harbour. As I say, like some of the chefs them they really heavy. I don't know if you have a video to show that. And this them raise like one dozen of orange for $600. For garlic, $300. Garlic used to be $50 and now at $300.
No, $100.
You know? At $300. And I guess because the woman say garlic give you antibiotic. What should say? Antibiotic, whatever.
Germany say we cut up the garlic because they say garlic and antibiotic.
Yes, so I guess because of that. You know, get to so the woman make the garlic, like shrimp and lobster, and then orange. We never get to go to the pharmacy because we need vitamin C, but we have orange. But yeah, outside we have paint, finished paint up the house. But that's that for today. Yeah.
You're welcome that we video today.
Yeah. So it's a bit, I don't know if it's a bit boring, but whatever, at least you see how Harbour Bay look, if you all will never know. Yeah. $650 for a pound of fish. $600 for a pound of lobster. So if you don't want fish or lobster, you will go Harbour Bay. Yeah. And then look at my hair is still banging, y'all. It's still banging. I think I need to bleach all of this hair and see what I look.
Bleach it?
Yes. But that's it for Nessa's World. Thank you for watching. Catch you later. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so whenever you listen to your video, you will be the first to know. So see you again. Bye. never let them spin. Let them spin. So nothing wastes around here. We just clean up the lobster and we just we just boil the egg them because we not waste nothing, you know. We clean off the tail them and put them in the freezer. We season them first and then we put them in the freezer, and then now we have them here. We can nibble upon them, even though much meat in them, but meat in them, you understand? So yeah, not now waste, not now waste.
My baby got full today.
She just give me one. I can't believe that. One. It just be enough.
Oh. I'm being selfish. I want piece. Oh, she doing.
You can never eat it properly because I'm braces.
Crab so much.
The crab a lot.
It's a crab so much. Yeah, I forgot this. That was my little girl. Yeah. Okay.
If only I could have chewed the bone, the shell like that. You can't chew it like that because due to how my braces are going to drop out,